Candid. New trends in social studies. 2.
Lesson 2.
Food. Food is what we eat and drink. Food gives us energy to work and play. It helps us keep fit and healthy. Sources of food. All foods come from plants or animals. Plants are grown on farms. Animals like cows and chickens live on the farms. Aquatic animals like fish live in lakes, rivers and seas. Vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Some people eat only the foods that we get from plant and milk products. They do not eat meat, chicken, eggs or fish. They are called vegetarians. Some people also eat meat, chicken, eggs and fish. They are called non-vegetarians. Types of food. Different food items give us different essential nutrients. Some foods help us to grow, some give us energy, and others keep us fit. Food that helps us to grow. Foods like milk, eggs, cheese, nuts, and meat make our bones and muscles strong. They help us to grow. Food that gives us energy. Foods like chapati, rice, potatoes, butter, nuts and sugar give us energy.
No, that's wrong. Yeah,